Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little update for new PCs. If you've been or have been thinking of getting a new computer for Christmas or in the next months, well, one of the first things you'll need to know is that not everything will be available immediately. If you buy a PC online, a lot of manufacturers are back order and will probably tell you there's a few weeks to a few months to delay on certain machines. But what's interesting, according to a survey, is that for the Christmas holiday season this year, about 90% of all the PCs that are sold in retail stores and online are Windows 11 compatible. So that's not 100%. It's 90%, which means you do need to be careful if you buy a new PC. Make sure that it is compatible to upgrade to Windows 11. That will ensure that you can use it with Windows for much longer than just going to 2025. There are, unfortunately, a lot of them still being sold that are not compatible, and you don't want that. You don't want to have one of those. And you want to make sure that it is okay. How do you know that? Well, you'll have to rely on what the manufacturer tells you or what the store will tell you. Technically, a lot of PCs will have Windows 11 already installed, but there's still probably going to be a lot of Windows 10 PCs with a little sticker on it that's going to say it's Windows 11 ready. So if it says Windows 11 ready, that means it has the minimum requirement, but it is a Windows 10 computer. So you'll have to upgrade yourself eventually if you want to. And so that's fine. If you have a Windows 11 ready PC, it's fine. It means that it's compatible and it'll be okay. If you already have a Windows 11 PC from the box, fine too. And just be careful. That's the most important thing. There will be still some PCs out there sold that are incompatible with or not supported, as they say. And remember, the age of a PC has nothing to do with the fact that it is compatible or not. When I see comments on the chat room, well, I bought this PC last year. Yeah, but you bought it with old hardware that is unsupported. Because if you had bought it with more recent hardware, it would be supported. It doesn't mean anything that it's purchased in the last 6 months. What it means to be on the Windows 11 is you need to buy something that has hardware that has a certain age. It has to be, that can be very old. And unfortunately, a lot of PCs sold are kind of PCs where they are tricking people and saying, oh, this is a good machine, but it's unsupported. And you got to be careful with that. And got to be careful with what people tell you when you buy a new computer. But check it out. If you buy a new PC, just be careful that it is compatible. And so the best way, well, if it's already Windows 11, that's cool. And if it's Windows 11 ready, well, that's cool also. It means it's probably on Windows 10, but you can upgrade to Windows 11 without any problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.